If you see a black screen in OBS Studio when recording or streaming, it means that there is a problem with your graphics or settings, and here's how you can fix it. First, you need to go ahead and check your display capture settings. Make sure that the OBS is set to record the right screen. So you can go ahead and tap on Sources, then go to Display Capture, and then go to its properties. After that, choose the correct monitor. Once done, you can run OBS as an administrator as well. Simply go ahead and search for OBS application, tap on Run as administrator, give administrative privileges, and you'll be done. If you have a laptop with two graphics cards like Intel and NVIDIA or AMD, you can go ahead, open their settings, and set OBS to high performance GPU. And if display capture does not work, you can try using the window capture. Click on the plus button over here, then select window capture and choose the specific window that you want to record. Also check the compatibility mode. Right click on the OBS shortcut. You can also try updating OBS and graphics driver. Make sure that you have the newest version of OBS Studio. Update your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics drivers to the latest version. And disable game mode or full screen optimizations. And in Windows, right click on the game or the app. And in OBS, you can go to display capture, and there are other capture methods in properties. You can go ahead and select them. And you can also try switching between automatic, Windows 10, and others to see which one works. After these steps, OBS should record your screen correctly without a black screen. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.